As a new trader, you don't know what you don't know. And in trading, that's exactly what gets most people into trouble and is exactly how most people lose money. Today, I'm going to walk you through the trader life cycle, the exact path every trader goes through, from beginner to seasoned professional. And I'll show you how we guide traders through each stage at MarketPro Trading. Hi, I'm Kevin Lloyd, the founder of MarketPro Trading, and I've been trading for over 20 years, and I've coached countless traders, from brand new beginners to full-time professionals. And what I've learned is simple. There are no shortcuts in trading, but with the right structure and coaching, you can move through each stage of the trader life cycle much faster and with a lot less pain. Most traders try to figure it out themselves and go it alone, and that is why most traders fail. Doesn't it make sense to work with someone who knows what you don't know and has already done what you are trying to do? As a beginning trader, you're completely overwhelmed. Charts, platforms, strategies, so much information. This is where most traders lose money because they're trying to trade before they even understand the basics. At this stage, your only job is to build a strong foundation: how markets move, how to read charts, how to execute trades. That's why we designed our beginner training inside MarketPro Trading to give you a clear step-by-step roadmap. Once you know the basics, you move into the novice stage. Here, you're paper trading in a simulator, deliberate practice without risking real money. This is where you make mistakes, and that's okay. The key is following a defined process, including strategies with real edge, reviewing trades, journaling. With feedback, you start turning chaos into a winning process. At the intermediate stage, you finally put some real money into the market. This is where most traders quit because emotions hit hard. Fear, greed, hesitation. Here, risk management is everything. Small position sizes, quick stops, and a trading playbook with strategies you can trust. This is where we work closely with traders at MarketPro Trading to help refine strategies with edge and build discipline so you don't spiral out of control when real money is on the line. Once you survive the emotional battles, you become consistent. You're following your playbook, you're not chasing every move. At this stage, you can scale up your position size responsibly because you've proven you can manage risk. Profits start coming, and you begin to really feel like you're in control of your trading, owning the process. And finally, at the professional stage, this is where trading becomes a business. You've seen bull markets, bear markets, chop, and you know how to adapt to all of it. Losses don't shake you. You execute your trades with confidence. So where are you right now in the trader life cycle? Beginner, novice, intermediate? Wherever you are, remember, you don't know what you don't know. And that's exactly why most traders end up failing and not making money. At MarketPro Trading, we give you the mentorship and structure with a community you need to keep moving forward. Click the link below and join us at MarketPro Trading and start building your path to consistency and confidence trading the markets.